Welcome back to our channel. So in this video, let's try to understand Nifty and the Bank Nifty levels, and let's try to understand what kind of trades we can take on Monday, which is July 1st. So let's get started. So I was on weekly chart of the Nifty. I could see the Nifty is bullish. I would say like strongly bullish for the time being, because that's what the weekly chart is indicating. And if I just go to the daily chart, it was like somewhere around I'll just try to make you understand much better by just enlarging this. So if you could see, the Nifty has moved from the levels of 23,370 to 24,160 or 170 levels, which is somewhere around 800 points. It made a move win last 4 days or 4 to 5 days, I would say, right? So right now today it has closed in a red candle, like, which is a bearish candle, and the close is like the Nifty has opened somewhere around at the levels of 24,080 today, and it made a high of 24,160 170, but somehow it has closed at 24,010 level. So how I could see this chart for the Monday, I was not talking about the long term, I was just talking about the Monday. So basically this is just helping us to understand like which option you can sell on the Monday. So for that, from that perspective, I just want to understand this chart. Okay, so as I said, the Nifty has moved from 23,380 till 24,160, so which is around 800 points. So now I'm expecting Nifty may cool off for some time, 1 or 2 days or 3 days. Not really sure how many days it can be. It can be like sideways, or it can be like coming to certain levels. So if I just check at Fibonacci, so if I just place that Fibonacci level, it can retrace till this 0.386 or 23,800 levels. So we're not really sure which level it is, but for Monday, what I could see from the charts of Nifty. So if I just go for option charts, so I will try to pick at the money options in the Nifty right now of 24,000, Nifty 24,000 CE. Let us go for CE and let us see how the chart looks here. So if you could see, the Nifty has crossed the levels of 223, and then it failed to close above that level on the Nifty option chart, which I was talking about. Generally option charts will be used very less, but I somehow could see like option charts are really helpful in making any kind of trade decisions as well. Also, if I just go to the 15-minute chart, so I could see lower low has been formed. So uh, lower highs and then lower lows has been formed. So this was the first high which I was talking about, then this was the first low, and the next lower high, and then this is the next lower low. So from here on Monday, what I was expecting, Nifty may just retrace back to the levels of somewhere around 200 or 220. I'm not really sure which levels it may get retraced to, but I was expecting it may retrace till 200 or somewhere around that levels. And again, I'm expecting sell of 24,000 CE if it retraces till 200. So I was looking to sell at 180, so I may sell like 2 lots or 3 lots here, and then if it goes till 200, so I may sell more lots there. And then where should I keep my stop loss? So if I just jump into the 5-minute chart, so here you could see my stop loss can be placed somewhere around 540. Is that's what I could see as the previous swing in the 5-minute chart. Or else if you are little optimistic, you can just keep it somewhere around 560. Generally in option selling, try to keep stop loss a little for, because option selling is always works in your favor. So that's what I would say. Like, let us see like how the market reacts on Monday for this. So basically my expectation is if it retraces till 200, so we can sell more lots. And if we can, I mean, it was just 20 points, you can just keep 260 as your stop loss. So target wise, if I see, I could see somewhere around 130 is my first target. So this was the swing which I could see if this has been broken. So that is my levels in terms of Nifty 24,000 CE. So basically Monday I'm looking to sell 24,000 CE at the levels of 180 to 200, and my stop loss is 240 or 260, and my target is 130. So that is in the Nifty perspective. So put side I don't want to see because I'm comfortable in the call chart. So put chart, it was not that great. I have already observed this and I don't want to take any trade from the put perspective. So let's see like bank Nifty how it will be like. Okay, so if I just go to the bank Nifty, so bank Nifty was like in the retracement mode. So if I just go for daily chart, so the bank Nifty has moved from somewhere around 51,200 levels till the levels of 53,170. So somewhere around 3.7%, so close to 2,000 points the bank Nifty has moved. And then now it was in a kind of retracement mode. If you can just see the two red candles, so it was a mode of retracement, and I'm expecting it may retrace till this level, or if it fails it can retrace till 51,700 or 600 levels. Again here also I was looking for selling the bank Nifty calls, so which was 52,300. so if I just go to 52,300 call, so if I just drop down to 15-minute chart, so we'll get more idea. You could see again the lower lows has been formed here as well. You could see the first high, or this would be the first high, and next lower high, and then next lower high. Similarly lower lows as well. So how I would like to see the trade in the bank Nifty, would be like I would like to sell 52,300 CE in the range of 430 till this particular range 520 or 500, and my stop loss would be somewhere around, if I just see, it was 715-minute chart, but it will be too far. So we have to maintain our risk prospect as well. So here in this case I'll just go for 5-minute chart. So I'll just keep this as my stop loss, so which is 610. But in the Nifty I would say like it was just 20 points, so you can just keep the highest stop loss. But here the distance is too far, so it will not help in terms of risk reward. So you can just keep 600 as your stop loss. So the target would be somewhere like you can look till 240, or first target I would say like 360, and if it got beaten, so it will be like 300. You can just look for 360 or 300, but again you have to ensure like you should add sufficiently, like in order to maintain that risk reward ratio within the range of 430 to 500. So if you can add within this range, then only the stop loss will be favorable for you in terms of risk reward. So that's pretty much. So I hope this analysis would help you to take any decision. So note from my side, this is not a buy, or this is not a kind of recommendation. So you please do your own research. I'm not a SEBI registered research analyst, but please do your research on your own and then take a decision whether you got to sell, like whatever the calls have been mentioned in this video. So that's it pretty much from my side. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.